Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Amanda and today I am bringing you a 5-minute and 10-minute everyday makeup look tutorial. I had makeup tutorial videos requested of me a couple times and I've been like putting it off because I wanted to wait for like perfect skin or anything like that, but perfect skin doesn't always happen, so I'm not gonna put off this video anymore, so I hope you enjoy it. I do want to say that I'm not an expert in makeup. Like, this is just a regular average person makeup tutorial. I don't know what I'm doing half the time, so just gonna put that out there. It's not like an expert makeup tutorial, but if you're looking for like an easy everyday makeup look or tutorial within 5 to 10 minutes, I hope this video helps you. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so here we go. I have my timer set for 5 minutes. I'm going to do the 5-minute makeup look first, then we'll add on 5 minutes to complete a 10-minute look. I don't typically wear too much makeup to work. My work is pretty casual, but this is just kind of like an everyday makeup tutorial. I would say about 80 to 90% of the time I'm using the 5-minute makeup look, and anything beyond that is just a nicer occasion, or if I want to look nicer. So I do gravitate more towards this 5-minute makeup look, so let's go ahead and get started. I am going to start the timer now. Okay, so I typically start with eyeshadow primer, even if I'm not going to be wearing eyeshadow. I'll use it for eyeliner primer as well, just because my eyelids get pretty oily, and just want to make sure that it doesn't smudge. I also use an eyebrow pencil while that's kind of drying, so just do like a quick few strokes just to fill in a few little gaps. I don't like to go too dramatic with it, and then pull that out and then brush it out. Okay, and so let's see, for this 5-minute I will try to incorporate eyeshadow as well. I just do like one shade. Then this is the tricky part. So eyeliner is the worst. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the mirror to do this. I feel like I'm more prone to messing up when I'm on a time crunch. Eyeliner is hard. Sometimes it'll take me like the full 5 minutes, and sometimes I'll get it right, so. I feel like it's so uneven. 2.5 minutes to go. It's actually, because I can perfect it a tiny bit. Okay, good enough. My phone is like turning off. Okay, I have 1.5 minutes pretty much, 1:45. So I just curl my eyelashes really quickly. And then last is chapstick. So this is my 5-minute makeup look with, okay, it's really like my 4-minute makeup look if I'm really rushing, but obviously sometimes I don't perfect my eyeliner on the first try, so then it typically becomes like 5 to 6 minutes depending on if I mess up. This is a 4-minute makeup look. It's pretty simple and easy. It just kind of brings out my eyes a little bit and I don't know, gives my lips a little bit of a glow so that it looks kind of put together. I don't typically do like concealer, foundation, or anything like that with my skin. I just leave it natural. Again, the place that I work is pretty casual, so not even that many people even wear makeup at all. So this is like a good go-to, even for weekends and stuff like that. This is like my typical go-to. I'm just gonna give a buffer and say that this first makeup look is 5 minutes, you know, just in case I mess up on eyeliner or something like that. So I'm gonna give myself another 5 minutes to finish out a 10-minute makeup look. So this is what I would do if I wanted to do a little bit more makeup in 10 minutes. Starting now. Okay, so I would start with makeup primer, and I would go with foundation. So this is, I guess, makeup primer. I'm gonna just quickly rub that in because I got this huge, pimple on this side, so I'm gonna try to cover that up. While that sets in, I would typically do mascara next after the 5-minute makeup look if I wanted extra like volume on my lashes. So I feel like this helps my eyes like stand out so much more. And sometimes mascara like takes me forever to do. I don't know why. I think my lashes are just not cooperative. Okay. Sorry, I'm like doing this off camera. Okay. And then, let's see. I'm gonna just choose this powder foundation because I don't have my liquid foundation that I like with me at this house, so I'm just gonna do a powder. And typically I find like powder is so much quicker than liquid anyway, so if you're like pressed for time, just go for like a pressed powder foundation. This is like a tad darker than my actual skin tone right now because it's winter time, but let's just go with it. Like what I have right now with me. And typically I would do foundation before everything else, like if I wanted to plan for that, but just for the purposes of adding like the 10-minute makeup look onto the 5-minute makeup look, I'm doing it after. So of course, like I don't really use concealer, so without concealer pimples don't really like completely hide, but it's just like a quick 10-minute look. How are we doing on time? I have 2.5 minutes left. So I actually, you could probably do concealer at this stage. Okay, I don't know. Okay, this is not the bronzer I use. I don't know where I put my actual other bronzer. I don't want to open a new one. Okay, I didn't plan this out very well. And I can't open it. Okay, let's just skip bronzer. I would go with lip. So I typically use chapstick or Vaseline. But if I was to do a 10-minute makeup look, I would just use like this lip product. Scrape off like practically everything. Sorry about the bronzer, guys. And just kind of dab the excess off. Do the smile check. And then with 1 minute left, I would typically do bronzer, right? And then just pretend that I did that. Pretend that took like a minute. I would finish off with a setting spray. Okay. So 40 seconds left to go. That could go again toward bronzer or concealer. But this is pretty much the final makeup look. I don't know if it makes a huge difference, but I feel like it just makes me look a little bit more put together. Like my skin tone is more even and the lips stand out a lot more than the 5-minute makeup look. So if you're going for like a nicer, more put together look, this is kind of what I would go for. I'm gonna stop this now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is kind of like my everyday makeup looks that I would go for like work or for weekends. I hope this gives you ideas on what you could do within 5 to 10 minutes and what your makeup looks can look like. I will leave all the links to the products that I used in this description box below. Please give it a like if you liked this video and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I hope to see you next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!